you try to hide your blessing, but your love give my life. I don't wanna go gambling.
Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, beautiful people. Alright, so today is Tuesday, the 9th of December. So this is the day of my birthday. And so recently came back from Melbourne. Went to Melbourne, which is Victoria is the state and Melbourne is the city. So we went to Melbourne for like 4 days and come back. And yeah, so things have been growing for 4 days, obviously, and come back to some corn. Look like I'm ready for harvest, so that's what I'm about to do right now. And I also did pick some cucumber before I left for Melbourne and gave them to my father-in-law, and came back to like 4 big ones that was like really big. So good thing I actually picked the ones that I did before I went, because otherwise they would have been really big. So and they just wouldn't taste good, like they would be like really overgrown to be used as a salad. But either way, I eat them just like that, just peel them and just eat them, as me. So either way, I would have make use of it. So yeah, so this is the garden right now, people, and you all can see the soil. Just showing you all an update with the soil, and them looking really healthy. And the corns, you can see once you have that start drying up, that corn should be ready. So first thing I'm gonna do is just open it up and just give it a test look first, just to confirm. Let's see. And so that look really healthy. Ready. Pop it open there. And so I'm gonna pick maybe those 2 or 3 that I'm gonna use for cooking, and leave the rest to harvest. Let them dry down a bit more. This one look really big. I think this one might be the biggest one so far. Just pick this one. Alright, so these are the corns that I'm working with. Some nice, soft, sweet corn. That is it. I have more there, so you all can see. So I don't have to worry. We don't have to reap everything at once, because it's not a race and it's not for selling. It's just for, use when you need. Self-sustain, homegrown. Yeah, that's the way to go. Alright. And I also have some okra. So these are some more cucumber have coming. These are some big tomato. Yeah, man. And my potato start running now too, so I'm happy about that. This corn here just start to blossom, so it's a good look. I'm going to show you all my okra, which I'm excited about already. There's a lot of ants in here in this one though, but I already picked like 4 okra that I have in the fridge, so I'm just saving them up. Here, so when I came back from Melbourne, I saw this big one. I was like, yeah, it's too old, to use for cooking. But I have a decent size one here that can pick. I don't want them to be too big and old and tough, so I pick them at a certain stage. There's another one there. A lot of young ones coming up, so it's a good look. Yeah, man, this cucumber here been producing so much. like non-stop. And also I've watermelon now, so this is also another good thing. I'm excited. Hopefully this time around I'll actually get to see them come to full maturity. Yeah, so it's a nice little watermelon there. And these are the smaller variety. They're not like that big watermelon. They're like I don't remember the name, but they're a smaller variety of watermelon. My parsley curl looks really good, and the smell, it's amazing. Trust me. It's my time. Healthy. Alright, so this time here is actually off this one. So this was the main one that I bought, like probably more than a year ago I bought it. And I just pick a piece, just break a piece off and just planted it here, and look at that. Non-stop time. I don't have to buy time again, it's just continue. And them just really fluffy, just hanging over there. Yeah man, people, this is a blessing. And right next to that I have some scallion, otherwise known as spring onion. And them will come up lovely too. Yeah man. I have a few pak choi here I need to plant out as well. My green callaloo, them springing back up from the ones that I cut recently. Yeah, so the watermelon, there's even more here, some small ones. It's a good look. So over here I have some big tomato. You all can see the size of these. Yeah man, and them green same way, so them still haven't reached that size yet where they're ready to turn red. And I haven't been like any trellis or anything to keep them up, but them just growing wild over here. Look at that. I should have braced them up off the ground though, but I did not do that on these ones. But yeah, look at those. Big, just growing crazy. Just look at them. Some big tomato them here, boy. Yeah man, it's a good look, my people. I enjoy gardening. So yeah, I didn't talk about my last soursop tree that was here, but sadly it didn't survive. The roots were completely gone, and I don't know what caused that. And so this one, my father-in-law bought this one, and it's actually grafted. As you can see, it's grafted, it's joined right here. So this should be a short tree, and I guess when winter comes, I guess I'm just gonna have to, I don't know what it's called, but you put something over it to like keep the frost off, so that way it doesn't have to suffer so much throughout the winter. So that's something I'm gonna try and look more into those things. So that is that. Update with the mango them now. See how big those are? They're massive. It's a good look. Alright, so that was a short video, and I hope you all enjoy, and thank you all for watching. Bless up.